Alright, so I think I'm gonna go get food again. Maybe I'll hang out with people. I'm in the elevator on the way down. My friends are still figuring out what they're gonna do, but I'm getting food regardless of that, so guess we'll find out what happens. Oh, this should be fun. Let's try this again. Well, that was to be expected. I almost just slipped and fell on this slush, so like, that's how my day's going. There's nothing like a walk through the snow to make you really think about the physics of cohesion with the ground. Maybe we'll have a little physics chat later. That should be fun. Well, I got my lunch. It's in this bag. None of my friends responded to messages though, so I think I'm just going back to the room. I'll probably restart the camera when I get there, and then we will have a chat about, not sure, probably physics. We'll see. So I'm pretty sure this is a good camera angle. My phone isn't working to capture the footage, so we'll just see how it works. I'm currently under a sheet because it was very cold outside and I'm still recovering from that. So I have a fun story from my walk back, but first we're going to talk about physics a little bit to give you some extra special context of how snow works. So basically, how slippery snow is depends on about two factors: the depth of the snow and how compressed it is. Thin, freshly fallen snow is the worst because it partially melts sometimes, and then you get a nice layer of slush, which has almost no traction and causes you to slip. That's how physics works. It's not necessarily how physics works, but I didn't feel like actually looking this up. Don't write anything I say on a test. Ever. So, on my way back with my food, I slipped on the snow. As you can probably tell, I'm kind of large, and my left leg went, well, first of all, it turned 90 degrees, and that slid out about 2 feet, but because I had my bag of food, I was able to use that as a counterbalance, and I didn't fall over. Because physics. I'm making it my goal to not fall over in the snow, and so far that's going pretty well. I wish it would not be snowing, because as much as I love the cold, it's very, very cold and very wet. I hope you guys enjoyed this delightful trip to go get food, and also this brief talk about physics, and then my fun story about almost falling over and injuring myself. Let me know what you think in the comments, and maybe leave a like if you enjoyed it. I don't know, that's up to you. Subscribe if you want to come along on my delightful adventures all the time. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!